Did you know the most famous art theft in history was pulled off by a janitor with just a stepladder and a work coat? In 1911, Vincenzo Peruggia was a maintenance worker at the Louvre. He had the perfect inside knowledge. He'd actually helped install the protective glass case around the Mona Lisa. On August 20th, Peruggia hid in a supply closet overnight. When morning came and the gallery was closed to visitors, he simply walked to the painting during cleaning hours. He lifted it right off its hooks like he was dusting. The genius part? He rolled up the canvas and tucked it under his work coat. Then he casually strolled past security guards. Nobody questioned the janitor doing his job. Here's the shocking twist. The theft wasn't even discovered for 24 hours. Staff saw the empty wall and assumed the painting was being photographed somewhere else. Peruggia kept the Mona Lisa hidden under his bed for 2 whole years. He was finally caught when he tried to sell it back to Italy, claiming he was returning stolen Italian art to its homeland.